Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be using the Boss Planner to have a quick recap of May. I don't know if you've noticed, but I've been really active with posting here on YouTube and on Instagram. So if you're not following me yet on those social media platforms, I'll be linking my Instagram at the description box down below, and for my YouTube, just click the subscribe button and the bell beside it. Now with all that said, let's give our focus back to the real star of today's show, which is the Boss Planner. The Boss Planner is the hottest new personal planner. The company helps our community to be more active and productive, even just at home. Their planners help people be more productive and organized for us to accomplish our goals faster and more efficient. Now here's a quick preview of what it looks like, but I'll be showing you guys more on how I will be using it after this clip. And if those clips doesn't convince you enough, then here's a coupon code for you to use. Just type in Eunice Corner and you'll get 15% off on your purchase. Enjoy! Now let me show you guys how I use my Boss Planner. I actually created stickers for this planner, so if you want to get your hands on them, just continue watching the video and I'll let you know by the end. Now, for my May recap, I actually cleared out this whole section just to show you guys, but that's totally fine. I wanted to make it look more pretty and make it more look like mine as well. I like adding my thumbnail photos on the dates that it would be posted. Another reason why I'm doing a recap video instead of a June plan with me, so that I won't have to spoil any upcoming videos for June. I also like adding my Instagram posts here. I've been posting a lot of digital art just because I'm really getting into the fun of the Procreate app. I mean, even though I use it quite a lot of the time for journaling, I guess now it's just helping me improve on my drawing skills. I also like to add in some important notes for work. I'm sorry if I haven't mentioned, I'm actually going to use this as my 2020 work planner, so all office and YouTube work will be filling this planner. I feel like that is very appropriate for this one because this planner is pretty much built for us to be more productive and motivated in our daily life. It will help you focus on a goal to improve on, and for me, I guess that is being an interior designer plus a YouTuber. I actually forgot to show you guys, but I like to hide the title bars at the very top, which just like that. How I did that is with the lasso tool, I screen cap the plain white background beside it and just click copy and then paste, and yeah, that's pretty much it. The reason why I do that is because I like to add in my own handwritings. I like to basta. I like putting my own handwritings on my monthly spreads. So yeah, that's pretty much the whole reason for that one. I also like to crop and resize my photos just to give it the right fit on the boxes for my monthly spread. To be honest, this video was actually inspired with this YouTuber. She's Korean. I'm gonna link her account at the upper right. She creates this journal with me videos, and she's pretty popular, so I'm pretty sure that a lot of people will recognize her already. So yeah, this whole entire May recap is inspired from her videos, so do check those videos out as well after you watch this video. I'm not that happy of how I wrote this days of the month, because I don't know, it looks a little thick for me. I don't know, I guess there's always room for improvement, but yeah. I also like to add in this tiny circles if ever I cover up the days of the month. By now, I'm just filling up the empty boxes of my monthly spreads, so let me just quickly tell you guys how you can get the free sticker pack that I've been using throughout this video. All you have to do is, of course, be subscribed to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram as well as the Boss Planner. I'll be linking both Instagram accounts in the description box down below. Then DM me answering this question. And that's it. That's pretty much it. So yeah, just do all those things and I'll send you the sticker pack. Right now, I'm pretty much done with the whole setup. As you guys can see, I love adding a lot of hand-drawn doodles and making this planner look more personal. Now, I guess there is nothing else to do but to give you a quick flip through of the whole planner. I guess let's all start off at the original monthly spread layout. I'm actually planning on decorating this month on my Instagram account, so do check that out. I'll be linking my Instagram account in the description box down below. Next and is the first tab on the list, which is the plan tab. This is pretty much where you map out your goals. I have mine already done and I really had so much fun filling this one out. Next is the reading tab, but I made it into my video ideas tab because I already have my reading list on my journal, and plus I don't have this much books to read as well. So yeah, I just changed it into my videos ideas tab. Next is the habit tracker, which I changed into a goal tracker because again, I already have a habit tracker on my journal and I think it's much better to have big goals each month. So yeah, that's why I changed it into a goal tracker. For the Eisenhower matrix, I feel like its purpose is to sort out your priorities. I'm not that sure yet, but if you know more about this, please do educate me on the comment section down below because this is my first time hearing about it. So yeah, now moving on, the priority planner, which I'll be dividing for work and YouTube. Next is the year in a glance page. Now this is not its original layout. Well, this is its original layout. I just went in and added a few stickers, which is this yellow and pink banner where the months are supposed to be placed, but I just covered the original one with the stickers because I didn't really like that muted orange look. So yeah, I'll be just adding the months afterwards. So yeah, I'm actually following the keys that I am using on my 2020 journals, just so that I know which color am I tracking for this calendar. I just want to quickly mention that all of this are hyperlinked. Almost a lot of all of this, everything that they put into these planners are actually hyperlinked to something, so just keep on clicking everything. It's really fun to know where everything is actually linked to. So yeah, this is the monthly setup that we did earlier, so I won't be getting much into this layout. Now for my weeks tab, I use this as my weekly gratitude page. I write here what I'm thankful for the week, and yeah, it's pretty much self-explanatory what I do here. You can do whatever you want here. You can make it as another task page, but yeah, I think I already have quite a lot of tasks I need to write on. I'll just get more confused if I use this as a task page. Now moving on to the weekly. Honestly, I got confused. Why should there be a weeks and a weekly? But anyways, I use this as my to-do list page. Every Sunday, I write here all my to-dos for the week and transfer the tasks that I was able to do on my dailies. It also has this wins and improvements so that I can reflect what I can improve on for the next week. So I really like this weekly tab setup. And second to the last, which is my dailies. This is what I love most to have in this planner, and this is pretty much the tab that I use the most as well. I actually deleted the earlier months because I started using this on May 19. I didn't want to have any blank excess paper because it actually makes me feel unmotivated if I see blanks on my journals or planners. So yeah, that's pretty much why I deleted those excess paper. And last, of course, is the notes tab, which is where you can find a lot of papers that you could use throughout the planner. It has a huge variety of designs. I personally love the grid dotted the most, and yeah, this is pretty much how I use it. And yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it for today's video. That's pretty much it for today's video. Don't forget to use the promo code EuniceCorner to get 15% off on your purchase. And for the sticker pack, just follow the instructions listed in the description box down below. So yeah, with all that said, again, thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you again next time. Virtual hugs and kisses. Bye!